say teacher Lay and teacher Malves say mote mote dance training dance class say
Your sister is beautiful?
Hindi ko alam. Ako don't think beautiful.
Bakit? Ikaw, you're not handsome?
Yes.
So your sister is beautiful.
Oh, bakit?
You want me to be your brother?
Hindi.
Kanina sabi mo gusto mo.
Ikaw, you have a girlfriend.
Me, Jun, wala.
Oh, ikaw, here.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, not my girlfriend. Yeah, and
no,
we are friends.
Future, ikaw and
Future ate, your ate and me. JR.
Talaga?
Yes.
Totoo?
Okay?
Hindi ko alam.
Huh? But we're friends.
Oh. Yes, friends.
Friends.
For brother?
And future brother.
Oh.
You don't want?
You ask my ate.
Okay. Give me number, ate.
Hindi ko alam.
Bakit?
Hindi memorize ako. Tingnan mo tayo. Please tell me.
John, if you're in Japan, you call us.
Us? What us?
Call us.
Call us.
Lahat kami. Call. If you're in Japan already.
Ako, uwi na Japan?
Oh yes, if you're on Japan in Tottori. If you're home, call us. Okay?
Okay.
Call us immediately. Okay? You get the number here in PDA house. Okay?
Maybe.
But why maybe?
Oh, hindi ko alam.
Why maybe?
Okay, tomorrow talking.
Talking what?
What, antog na ako.
Okay.
Okay.
But sister, brother.
John and JR brother.
Yes. Because I have a girlfriend.
Friends and brother.
So JR and John will be brother.
Okay. Good night, brother.
Good night, pare.
Good night, brother.
Pare.
Ayaw ni JR kay Iya.
Good night, Chong.
Good night, pare. Chong, Repa, Pips, Tol, Jude.
Brother.
Brother.
Brother-in-law.
Good night, long parking.
Oh my God.
Here.
Long parking.
Really?
Insomnia.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Bakit?
I sleep on 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock
Oh my
in
God.
the morning.
Oh my God. Ikaw sick?
Huh?
Sick?
Very sick.
Oh, ikaw pupunta medical city and ilong injection?
No.
Yes.
Napunta ako Japan and I met your sister because I'm sick.
Oh my God.
You love your sister, John?
Oh,
Huh?
like
Sister. You love your sister?
My sister is mabait.
Huh?
Mabait.
Mabait sister mo?
Yeah.
And you love your sister?
Like only.
Oh, you don't love your mother also?
Love mother, mommy only.
Iba yung pagka-differentiate ng love. Love as a mother to your mother.
My puso have love have isa only.
Mami lang?
Yes.
Grabe din dito. Sira ulo ka dyan.
Yes, sobra.
Okay.